Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can view Samsung email in a thread on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the Samsung email. Now in here, open up the email that you want to view and then tap on the more button at the bottom and then tap on thread. Now in this thread here, you can choose which email you want to open. If you want to have an email in a conversation thread, then you can go back to your email list and then tap on the menu key at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on view and choose conversation. And here you'll be able to view an email in a conversation as a conversation thread. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.